Morning cuddles with my Mimi bird. Hello, Mimi bird. I'm scratching your face. I got fur on my face. Oh, feathers. Sorry, feathers. You don't have fur. You can get your belly and your foot. What a sweet little Mimi bird. Say good morning. Good morning, Cuddles. Say good morning, Cuddles. You sweet little Mimi bird. Good morning, Cuddles, with my Mimi bird. Come here. Good morning, kisses. Good morning. Mimi, no, don't pick my nose. Good morning. I'm gonna get your foot. I'm gonna get your foot. I'm gonna get your foot. I'm gonna get your wing. Oh, your wings feathers are growing up. We have to trim those again. Good morning. Have a good day. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you.